Hello, my name is Veronika, and as a part of my master's dissertation, I conducted a comparative study of three case studies from Portugal, Norway, and Czechia to find out what are the best technical solutions for low emission and high energy efficiency buildings, aiming for different standards and certifications, and how that differs in different countries. The Portuguese case study is Rua do Mar family house in Ilhavo, built in 2012 with reinforced concrete structure and infill masonry. It was the first passive house certified building in Portugal. This study consisted of life cycle assessment and interviews with different stakeholders. In this graph, we can see that the biggest portion of carbon emissions comes from the materials, which is the red, and from operational stage, which is light blue. Here we can also see that carbon emissions from the structure are comparable to the structure of Czech case study that is built of cross-laminated timber panels that suggests that the national energy mix as well as the typology is a huge factor in amount of emissions, not just the material choice itself. The results from the qualitative part of the study show that the early design optimization, such as shape, plays important role in achieving good passive house standard. The results also suggest that the experience with uncomfortable housing and potential cost reduction are the biggest motivators for seeking for better solutions such as passive house, but the execution remains challenging even with clear passive house guidelines. European Union regulations are a great enabler for efficient buildings in all three countries, but sufficient stakeholders' consultation is necessary for efficient national transposition. Demonstration examples also decrease the risk and influence the successful delivery. The significant extent of electricity demand was met in Portuguese case study, even without building shape optimization for maximizing the sun exposure. And even though PV panels are an emission-intensive solution, this graph show that emissions from operational energy, which is a gray column, and from PV panel manufacturing, which is a red column, are by far outweighed by the benefits of the emissions that are saved by using on-site generation electricity. Thanks for your attention.